So in today's video, I will show you how to remove your WhatsApp from other devices. This is a complete step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. First of all you need to do is open your WhatsApp, and now all you need to do is come here on settings on the bottom right corner, and here you need to select this option linked devices. Click here, and now you will see all your devices that are connected to your phone. Okay, now all you need to do is select the device you want to remove and click on this option log out. This is a very simple step, so I just need to click here and confirm logout, and I need to wait a few moments. And if you want to log in other device, you can click here on link device, click here on OK, and on your other device you can click on continue and scan the QR code.